Hi, Glenda here from AAA Web Design. We're going to be talking about adding pages since the update on WordPress 5.1 came along and changed the look of everything. To add a new page using the Beaver Builder plugin, log into your dashboard and either hover over the Pages tab and click Add New, or you can go to the top of the grey area just here and click Add New here. When you create a new page on your website, you'll see you have a choice of either Launch Beaver Builder or use the standard editor button. We're going to be talking about Beaver Builder today though. In the Add Title section, type in your new title. Then click on Launch Beaver Builder. Now you'll see you have a pop-up box appear with all the different Beaver Builder modules to use on your site. On the second tab are the rows for creating a multi-column layout on your page. On the third tab are the templates. They can be used to completely build a whole page, and then you just change all of the information on that, but we can cover that in another video. We'll start off talking about rows first. Drag one column over to where it's asking to drop a row or layout. So we've just added one row in one column. Now we're going to add two columns in the same row. So where the blue line is, that's where it's going to appear. So now we have one column and two columns. Now we're going to add three columns. So it's just showing you how you can structure your page. You can also drag a column underneath in a different row. So here we have one row here with all of these columns, and then underneath we have another row. Now we'll go back to the modules. First of all, you're going to want to add a heading. So we'll add that into the first column, and then type the name of the heading. And the HTML tag here is H2, that's automatically set to that, but you can make it H1. I'll move that out of the way so you can have a look. This website has been set up for the heading titles to be in red, but you can change it to a different colour. I have some preset colours, so if I wanted to change it to black I can, but I'm going to leave it at red. Click out of that box and save. Now I'm going to go back up to the plus sign and I'm going to add a text editor module in and put some text in. I'm going to put a capital H there. And you would just keep on typing whatever text. I'm just going to grab some dummy text and place that in there. So here we have a text box, and you can see that it's all looking exactly the same. So what I'm going to do is give it some headings in here as well. Just going to delete that row there, and I'm going to make this a heading. So I'm going to put this as heading 2. Then I'm going to make this subheading heading 3. So you can see that it's getting smaller. All of this text here is a paragraph text. Then you just click save and that's it. Then if we would like to add an image into this side here, we go back to our plus sign and we find the module for a photo, drag that into this side here, and we can select a photo. So these are all the photos that I already have in the media library. So if I just click on this one here and select photo and save. There are a lot of other showing a lot of other things that you can use, showing captions and linking and changing the style, but we just want to give you some basics first. So if we keep on scrolling down, we might want to put more images in here, so we would just click photo there. Just looking for some nice images. A good idea to have them the same size. Drag another photo. Select a photo. So you can see how quickly it is to build your page out. In this last box, we might want to put another heading. Once you're happy with that page, you can click Done and then Publish. So this is your page that you've built out, and you can see how fast that was to build that out. So I've now published this page, so it is live on the website. But for example, if I wanted to add something, I would just click on the Beaver Builder up the top there, go back to the plus sign, and I might want to do a contact form. So I would just drag 2 more columns in down the bottom, go to the modules and find the module for a contact form. So we drag that down into this box here and fill in the details. Show the name field. We can choose to show the subject field. We have an email field, a phone field. I like to show them all, and then save. So right before your eyes you have a contact form. The size of this can all be changed, but I'm just doing it very fast so that you can have a look. So on this side here we might want to do something else. Let's have a look what else we can put in here. We could put a video, for example. So if you have your own video, you could embed that up here. So just for example, if I go to YouTube, not YouTube, YouTube, oh, we don't want Trump videos. It's popular. So we'll just grab something from there, choosing my wedding dress. We'll use that.
Your half-brother King Orm is about to declare war. You know I can't let
that off. So this is what you would copy. Copy that. Go back to your site and add that in. That didn't want to work. Save. Now you have that video. So click Done and Publish. So it's as easy as that. Stay tuned for the next video.